Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So here in this video, I'm going to discuss about one more swing scanner, which I have already created on our charting, and we already updated that particular scanners into our premium group HA swing scanner. Okay, so here I just created based on the lower level trend reversal HA swing, so which I am going to use for a swing trading. And this scanner, it is already available on our charting. So people who are joining on the premium group, so they want to ask something about the scanner. So I have started making a video. And last video I mentioned about SWD swing scanner, already made a video. And here in this video I'm just going to talk about HA swing scanner, that already made that scanner, and scanner link which is available on that my Telegram group, and that group is the premium group. One time charges required to do join the group, and you can access all my premium scanner on that particular group. So let me move on to this video, and that this is a scanner. I'm not going to show you that details about the scanner, and based on that particular scanner we are finding a very low number of stocks. So the first most important thing, if you are using a scanner, that will filter low number of stocks. If you find out a high number of stocks by the scanner, the trading and tracking is very difficult to do that. And then, so based on that only we created, and you can see the last 9 month data. So we have only few number of stocks, I think 3, 5, and here are somewhere 4, almost 10 stocks in till April to May. And maybe this particular time we have a huge number of stocks, and randomly we have a 1 to 2 stocks averagely. But overall almost 20 to 30 stocks only from last 9 months. So this would be a tradable one, and also non-repaint scanner. Okay, non-repaint means you know well, and last videos also I'm discussing. After the movement, the stock will show here. That is a one point kind of thing. And if anything which triggers your stop loss, and that would be removed from the scanner, that is also be a one more repaint. But our scanners is never repaint. So it is repaint is based on the conditions, but we need to very careful about giving you the condition, then it will be more powerful, and very few number of stocks. And if you are looking at daily stocks based on the scanner, it will be not possible. Okay, so here it's a backtest result, and June 6th we have a stock which is called an IOC, 6th of this month. Okay, let me check this IOC. I already checking this, and this is what a 5th after the big correction that is due to election result, and next day is a recovery forming a pattern like a hammer, and the next day it looks like a spinning top. But in our SWD scanner, so we already made a video SWD scanner, we are finding an opportunity here, the swing opportunity around 159. But next day the stock doesn't give you the opportunity, and it is a gap up. Okay, but still the price is not reaching that level. But based on our HA swing scanner, okay, this is the one of the swing scanner which I created, and here we got an entry by the 6th of the day one. Here we can take on the same closing price itself at the end of the day. By the next day itself, we can look at entry opportunity, and 6th of June the closing price is somewhere around 163, and from that point it went up to maximum 172. So stop loss maybe you can keep low of the particular candle, or swing low of the particular candle. But here this is the different condition. So we have a huge stop loss from 163 and 147. If you're ready, but you can go for, but this is a huge drop based on the result. But now we'll check the previous data. We'll be getting any stocks here. And 5th of June, HECL take. Okay, so let me go for HECL take on 5th of June. This is a one more swing scanner. Okay, HECL take NSE. Let's see very quick. Yeah. So on 5th of the month here, you can see 5th of the month, we have an opportunity on the closing base itself. We can try for an opportunity. And next day opening itself, we can try. So here I'm just closing basis, I'm calculating. So maybe BTST also we can plan this. And somewhere around 3,343, maybe the low is around 1,236, near about 80-90 points is the risk. But after this swing, and we have an opportunity from that point somewhere around 90 points, and it generates you near about 150, more than 1:1 risk reward ratio, or more than that also. it is generating you based on the scanner. And only few number of stocks we are filtering on that particular day. Many stocks will be dropped, but we have only few stocks on 3rd of June. Ramco Cements, let me check, and this is what a scanner result, whether it will never repaint, and it will be showing the stocks on the list. So 5th of June, and when did we got an opportunity? Is 3rd of June. Maybe 3rd of June. Here is that if you are taking an opportunity, the recent swing low got triggered. So here is my entry opportunity near about 780 or 770 levels, and maybe the recent swing is the particular low around 740. In this case, triggered your stop loss and then it recovered back, but it is a stop loss trade. Okay, so where we got an opportunity on the 3rd of that particular month here, but at the end of the day, if I'm taken an opportunity, next day it is a drop, but here may be the stop loss because it is a recent swing. So when we got an opportunity based on the scanner, okay, and the recent swing is the low, and that is what the stop loss we have to maintain, but the next day it drops and below the swing low, and maybe a stop loss, but still the stock is available on the scanner. It is useful for a back testing and also non-repainting. Okay, so let me back and let me check, and after that we have a stocks on May 14. So May 14, after May 14 we have a June 3, so almost 15 to 18 days later only we have a stock. So if you are using the stocks, and don't go for a daily stocks. Okay, 14.5. So we need to wait for the stocks to get, only the stock meets our condition which we have created on our scanner. 14th May, right? Yeah, 14.5. Here is an opportunity, and the day where I got it around 113. So here is my entry point nearby 113, and recent swing is around 107. So after that entry, so it never came down the stop loss, and meanwhile it went up to near about 127. So that what was the risk which I have taken? It is more than that, but this is an election result today, and that was happening. So every stocks it is moving very big on a result today. So we are not considering that, but before that the stock is giving you the target. Okay, so previously we have a May 6th Kotak Bank. Let me go to check how the Kotak Bank moves. 6th May here is the point, and the swing low is the recent swing low is around 1453. Our entry point may be around 1624. So 70 point risk. But even the result day also the swing low is not broken on the stock. That is what the most thing which you have seen. Some many stocks which triggered, but this particular stock the swing can be swing opportunity which we find out here, and this is the swing low. But even that election result day also the swing low is not broken, and it is continuous from 1625. Now it is 1775, almost 150 points moved from our entry point. So this is a one more swing scanner which we created already, and now I'm just telling you how to use it and how we, after getting the list of the stocks, you can take on the end of the day also. And previously we have some 4 stocks on April 22nd, Bandhan Bank, ICICI, Ultratech and Techem. So let me check this Bandhan Bank, whether it is what is the date exactly? 22nd for 22nd April. So here is an entry point around 180. Maybe our stop loss is 170, and it went up to 192. Maybe our 1:1 target achieved. In this case, it on the election day perfectly that stop loss triggered, but after that now it is moving 200. And what many other stocks like ICC, Ultratech, Cement, Ultratech that was giving a good result. Many scanner that was came into the swing. So here is the swing opportunity on 22nd April. That's right. Here after that from 9,500 it went up to 10,100. Maybe my stop loss is around 9,254. So near about 250 point, that is giving you the opportunity. And the next one is ICICI Bank. It's a swing scanner which I have already. Here is the ICICI Bank 22nd April 1080. In the stop loss maybe 1048, and it went up to 1069. And some more things of Bandhan Bank and Techem, ICICI Ultratech. Let me check Techem. And that was happening 22nd April here, and the swing low is not broken. Still now it is giving you such a good result, where I was trying for this 22nd. Maybe my stop loss is somewhere on this particular candle low, so that would be around 44 points. As of now it is giving you 234 points. So that was a great opportunity where I find out the swing scanners, and you will be seeing previous data also. I will be here is the some more stocks, and previously one stock, and this particular day LIC, a lot of stocks 21.3. Let me check LIC, Bank of Baroda. So random check. LIC Housing Finance, right? Yeah, LIC Housing Finance. That was happening on 21/3. Maybe here there is a swing opportunity. So HO swing scanner is the one of the best swing scanner with in my Telegram premium group. Okay, so based on that, we are checking the back test and it never repaint. And we find after the down move and reversal pattern, the swing areas we are finding based on the scanner. After finding the reversal areas, we are trying to find out stocks at a lower level with the very smallest stop loss. If the stop loss is big, you can simply ignore those stocks. But it is giving you a good opportunity for your swing, and the swing low also be triggered here. But meanwhile, so this is whatever risk, and we have a reward also that got triggered here. Okay, this is also be one of the scanner, and if you have already my premium group member, you can scan, search for the swing. Okay, in Telegram groups, you will be finding 5 swing scanner. One is SWT, and that we have made a video recently, and another one is SVH swing, and some of the swing like camera swing and arrow swing. And I am going to make video for that also, and this link would be posted on that particular video also. Okay, I hope you understood. This is one of the scanner for a swing trader that will be helping you to find out stocks for your swing trading. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you have any other doubts or question, just comment on the comment box. And if you have anything to ask or any contact me, so directly my WhatsApp number which shown on this video itself, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp to get more detail about the scanners and screeners. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching here, and if you are new, kindly subscribe. Thank you.